my unicorn. Built it with a bunch of different parts. I got this unicorn hair on Amazon.com. It was about 250 bucks, and it's pretty much the best material for unicorns just because it's about 17% lighter than air, so it's really good for balancing out the weight. Like the mane makes up for all the weight of the head. And I got the legs right here, they're kind of staggered. This one's farther forward than that one to offset the balance of my untrue wheel. And then this horn is imported from South Africa. It's ivory tusk from a mammoth. It's about 10,000 years old. The rest of the bike itself, I named it Double Rainbow after rainbows. And that's about it. Okay, so the handlebars, they don't go past 45 degrees because of how fast it is. The manufacturer doesn't suggest a unicorn to turn any more than that. It's just too dangerous, it's way too fast.
So, can you tell us about the name? Double Rainbow?
Double Rainbow, yeah, well, it's just one of the rarest things that you see in the sky. And so, since you don't ever see a unicorn this nice, that's why it's Double Rainbow. Because of the double rainbow hair and everything on it. It's pretty, that's why I did that.
Can you tell us your full name?
My name is
Can you do that?
Okay.